I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials: a working email and a modern browser. Go to the Zotero sign-up page and choose whether you want a standard free account or to sign in via your institution. This affects storage and single sign-on. Enter your name, email, and pick a strong password, then accept terms. Once done, verify your email through the confirmation link so syncing will work. Make sure to save your login somewhere secure for later use across desktop and web. Next, install the Zotero desktop app and the browser connector so saving citations is seamless. Open Zotero desktop, then go to Edit, Preferences, and Sync. Log in with the account you created. Enable data syncing, and if you want attachments synced, turn on file syncing or connect a web DAV endpoint. Once done, test by saving a web item with the connector. You should see it appear in the desktop library. If you plan to collaborate, set up group permissions. Finish by organizing collections and importing any existing references via RIS, BibTX, or direct import. This makes your library usable immediately. Set your preferred citation style under Preferences, Cite, and install the word processor plugin for in-document citations. Once everything is set, force a manual sync to confirm changes. If syncing or login fails, re-enter your password, confirm email verification, check your storage quota, and ensure no firewall blocks Zotero. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.